The Go Viral Superstar Essential Vlogging Kit by DigiPower. Is it worth it? Is it a good kit? Let's go over it and figure it out together. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name's Adam. I hope y'all are having a great day. In this video, I wanted to cover the Go Viral Superstar Essential Vlogging Kit by DigiPower. Now, odds are you've seen one of these in pretty much every department or electronics store or on an Amazon if you've been just browsing around or even looking for something similar to this. I picked this up at Walmart a few weeks ago. It was around $40. I've seen them at Best Buy for almost $70. And I think Amazon has something very similar for about the same price. If you are interested in checking something like this out, either this brand or a clone brand of the exact same product, the link will be down below. You can check it out for yourself and see what you think about it. Anyway, like I said, I picked this up a few weeks ago. I figured, it'd be a budget start for this YouTube channel. But right out of the gate, I ran into some issues, mainly with my phone, because I think this is definitely geared more towards using your cell phone versus using a mirrorless or DSLR or something larger than a cell phone. So let's go over the kit, what it includes, the problems that I ran into when I tried to use it with my cell phone, and we'll go from there, and you guys can form your opinion based on that, and I'll let you know what I thought at the end of this. If you like this video, please do me a favor and hit that like button. If you want to see more content, I'm a tech junkie. I'm constantly reviewing tech and making tech videos about it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with the new videos that I post. And if you'd like to see something else that I haven't covered yet, or you have feedback, opinions, thoughts, complaints, suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. All right, so let's go over this kit in a little bit of detail and see what we actually get with it. Here's the tripod. Probably the best part about this kit. The cell phone adapter, attachment, clip, whatever you want to call it, is spring loaded, so it'll just grip down on your cell phone and hold it tight. Not terrible. You got the arm here where you can mount your microphone and also your 50 LED floodlight. And then the cord that plugs into your microphone. In the tripod leg, you've got the remote shutter release that connects to your phone or mirrorless DSLR camera via Bluetooth, providing your camera has a Bluetooth connection. All smartphones do nowadays. I did not test this out. I didn't even bother connecting it to my phone to attempt it. And that just pops in there like that, which is actually a very clever idea. Makes use of otherwise wasted space. Okay, the negatives of this kit. It's entirely made out of plastic, which does not really, convince me it's going to last a very long time. The cell phone attachment clip, I have to stretch it to its limit to fit my phone inside. I've got a Note 10 Plus, one of the larger phones, so I do run into this problem every now and then with, things like this. But to get it in there, it has to go completely to its limit to the point that I'm afraid I'm going to break it. I don't know if you can see it, but that back is kind of bowing backwards from stretching so far. But once it's in there, it's not going anywhere. The plastic arm, you can see how wobbly the thing is, but it's not like it's going to pick up a whole lot of wind noise just from that little bit of wobble. The microphone, trying to plug it into my phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. The newer phones, most of the newer phones don't have those anymore. Apple got rid of them a few years ago. Samsung got rid of them last year with the Galaxy 10 lineup. So what that meant for me, I had to get a 3.5 to USB-C dongle adapter. Not a huge deal. It's $5. Went to Walmart, pick it up, try it out. Issue number 2, and this is not the microphone's fault. Now this is my phone's fault. These phones, at least the Note 10 Plus, and I'm sure the Note 10, I don't know about the S10 or the new 20s, But these phones do not have an internal DAC converter, a digital audio converter, or digital to analog. I'm not sure if it's digital to audio or digital analog. Anyway, they don't have one built in, so I had to buy a different adapter with the built-in DAC converter. That was from Amazon. I couldn't find one locally, so I had to wait 2 days for that to come in. Did not test it out. I received it several days ago. Haven't even tested it out. I did, however, test out the microphone while I was waiting for that converter to come from Amazon on my Z6. And I gotta say, I was not impressed with the quality from this microphone, unfortunately. It could be the style of videos I'm trying to make. This is probably not the best style microphone for my videos. It could be great for other types of videos where people are talking straight into their phones or their cameras just like this, and the microphone's, less than 3 feet away from their face. Right now I'm about 5 to 6 feet away from my camera, so the microphone, although it did pick me up, it picked everything else up, and you can't hear it, but there is an echo in this room, and this picked the echo up terribly. Mic check, 1 2 1 2.
It's pretty good. What?
We don't know what it sounds like in the camera though. The floodlight, super bright. Good thing and a bad thing. I mean, this thing will blind you. And this is with the included diffuser on it. Hold that button down for a second. And I mean, you could almost land a plane with this thing. Trying to look into this thing and shoot a video for anything more than 2 minutes, and you're going to have a migraine headache. And like I said, that is with the diffuser on. Take the diffuser off, and it's even worse. So, the positives of this kit. Again, the tripod. I mean, the thing is handy, even though it's all plastic. The legs are pretty thick. It does have metal screws, and I'm hoping it's got metal hinges inside underneath that you can't see. You can hold it together like that, twist it to lock it so that they don't open up, and it makes a nice little, talking to the phone while you're holding it in front of your face grip. It is super comfy to hold like that. It is fairly stable. The legs don't open up very far. Oh, forgot to unlock it. But they do hold the phone, and they don't let it fall over. Now, if it's just this with nothing in the middle, it gets unbalanced and it can fall over unless you put a leg going the same direction as the arm. Also, the way you're holding it, the ball head with the locking arm, the lock nut, is nice. I mean, it is strong enough that it holds the phone. It doesn't let the thing drop backwards from too much shake. So you can, position it how you need to. You can go straight 90 degrees, 45 degrees, anything in between. It does work for that. So that is probably the best part of this kit is the tripod. There's a problem with that short leg, but if you twist it around a little bit and put a leg like that, it does hold it. So there's another little win for this kit. Anything else that I did not cover that you guys would want me to cover, let me know. I can make a follow-up video, although I do, in all honesty, plan on returning this to Walmart since I haven't even used it once, other than to shoot this video right here. Following up, what do I think about the Go Viral DigiPower Superstar Essential Vlogging Kit? It's only $40, so it is not a huge investment. Maybe somebody that was just wanting to try vlogging or try making selfie videos, selfie pictures. It would be a good kit to pick up if you're going to use your cell phone and you just want to dip your toes into the water of vlogging and everything to see how you do. For long term, I would certainly not recommend this. Maybe it just doesn't, the entire plastic assembly doesn't inspire much faith for my phone. The clip looks like it's ready to snap just sitting here next to me right now. The microphone, for my style of videos that I make, like I said, the microphone might work much better closer to my face, but my camera is usually 5 feet or further away from me. The floodlight, it's super bright, but it's also a double-edged sword where it's too bright and it will blind you and you can be running into walls and didn't even see them coming because you're kind of blind. Have you guys tried this out? If you like it, if I'm completely off base, let me know. If you think I'm dead on, let me know that too. But if you want to pick one up, or if you're interested in trying it out for yourself, I will link this down below where you can pick it up. If you'd rather try out something else, I've got the Joby GorillaPod, $80. I think it was around $80. Twice as much as this, twice as sturdy. It does the same thing this tripod here does, but it can wrap around branches, fence posts. I don't know if it'll grip a table and hold a camera up there, but it is much sturdier, much more useful, much more, just faith-inspiring. I can put my camera, I can put my my mirrorless camera on that GorillaPod, and I don't have to worry about it falling over. This here, I would not trust to hold my Z6. But again, that's just my thoughts. I could be way off base. Maybe I'm being too harsh on this kit. What do you guys think? Again, let me know. And like I said, if you like this video, please hit the like button for me. If you like the content and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. And one last time, if you guys are interested in checking this out or anything else I mentioned or any of my gear that I'm using to film this video, links for everything down below. Thanks. Hope to see you guys later. Have a great day.